Hey everyone, thank you so much for joining me for this video. So today we are going to be going through the February HoneyBShop Babe Box. This is the second Babe Box. I did get mine a little bit after. It was delayed a little bit, but she is finally here. And as you can see by the label here, it is going to be a cosmic, kind of a space babe theme. So without any further ado, let's crack her open. So just a little disclaimer here. I believe that this will be the last box to have the papers in it because the owner of the HoneyBShop actually went live on Instagram, and she was kind of talking about how the papers are a little bit more than what she was anticipating. So from now on, things are going to be a little bit different, which makes me kind of sad because I think the papers are absolutely awesome. But you do have to make some money, so completely understand. But anyway, I have seen some things of this box, but I have tried, as I do with any box, I try to not really look too deep and see what the contents are. That way it can kind of be a surprise for both of us. So I knew this theme was going to be Space Babe, but I'm not entirely sure what all is in here. So we are going to go through everything piece by piece. So the first thing here is this little journaling card. It says Space Babe with pretty stuff on it. So that tells us everything in the box. So let's just get pulling. So the first thing that I saw here was these really cute little space post-it notes. And they have holographic foil and nice, pretty pink, purple pastel with some cosmic designs on them. So you get quite a bit here. They are attached to the card here. So yeah, kind of vaguely reminds me of the Simply Gilded Rock Stars box where it had the crystal. Like, I guess it's just the colors and everything that kind of remind me of that, but it's nice to have another set. These are really cute. Okay, then after that we have got the journaling card. I think there's supposed to be 2 postcards in here. Oh, that's cool. So one side is a little bit more matte and the other side is a little bit glossier. And you've got 2 skin tones here. So you've got light skin tone and then darker skin tone. So that's nice. Very cute. And then here we have got some, these are probably the hollow foiled space seals. And there's quite a few here. Well, hold on a second. Okay, maybe these are not the space seals. I think these may, let's see. These may be the, let's see. Oh, they're all together. Okay, so there's 4 different things here. We have got this little paper backing. We've got the hollow foiled icons. So there's all kinds of different little icons, and they are on this clear paper, clear sticker paper. And then we have got the hollow foiled space headers, which are super cute. And then we have got the hollow foiled I Need Space doodle. And then the last thing, the hollow foiled full box overlays. So you can actually just put a sticker down and then put this over it to give it that hollowed effect. And then these are all just little individual stickers, and then you've got the 2 full box overlays there. Those are so cute. Love that. These are the hollow foiled space seals. And then you also get bow seals. So we've got a planet and a spaceship, stars, and then a full sheet of bows. And they all have that like pinky purple with constellations on the inside. And then here we have got the 7-page weekly kit. So we have the date covers, which of course for me are essential. I love date covers so much. And then we've got some deco here. Cute little space babe. Those are super, super cute. I really like her. She's super cute. More little deco stickers. And then we've got the washi strips and some headers right here. And they're actually 2 different sizes. So these are sized, these are a little bit smaller. And then the washi strips. And these are pretty much sized for the Erin Condren, but you can use them for anything. I have actually been using this type of thing in my bullet journal and just having to lay it just all the way across and then clip off a little bit of the edge there. Excuse me. Here we have the full box stickers. Love that. And they're all on this nice matte paper. And then we've got a bunch of different half boxes and quarter boxes. Lots of headers and some I guess you could use these as habit trackers. I usually take one of these and use them for like my work schedule to put in my bullet journal for, I usually do dailies, so I'll do every day of the week has its own separate page, and then I've lately been trying to incorporate after Sunday doing a this upcoming week page, so I'll write my work schedule on here and put it on that page, and it just kind of it helps me stay on track of things that I need to do for that week. So love using these kinds of things. And then we've got some little deco and some functional honey to do, and some build-do stickers and some heart checklists, and then we've got the full box heart checklists. So that is everything for the sticker kit. And then here are the die cuts. See if I can get those all of those out in one fell swoop. Oop, had a star fall. Oop, had another one fall. Okay, we'll just have to call that a loss. So we got a little star here, paper backing. And then we've got a large-ish space babe. And one there. And got the little galaxy gun. One thing that I forgot to mention, whenever you sign up for the Babe Box, you get to choose your skin tone, and I chose light skin tone, but she has fair, medium, and darker skin tones, so that is something that you can get for that. I should have mentioned that before. We've got a little alien with a flower headdress, little star, Saturn tears, little space thing, shoot for the stars. I love her top. She's so cute. And then little hands just holding different planets and the moon. And then lastly for this box are the papers, and the papers feel the exact same as they did for last month. So I really will be sad. Oh my gosh, I cannot talk. I'll be really sad to see these go. But like I said, I completely understand just from a business standpoint, you know. So I was hoping that maybe, you know, she could kind of maybe go with a different type of paper. So I don't know. We'll see what happens. So here for the papers, we've got this beautiful watercolor-ish nebula type situation here with some constellations. And on the flip side of that, she's got a traveler's notebook and then a little shoot for the stars keychain with a moon and stars. Here are the pink with white stars. On the flip side, it's the Saturn tears and a shooting star with some constellations and planet. And then here is a lighter version of the darker purple. So this one's more pink, but you still have a little bit of wash of that purple there. And then on the flip side, you've got that cute little alien with the floral headdress. And then here is another with a little bit of a yellow, and I see some slight variations of blue in here. So that one's very, very pretty. And then on the flip side, we've got the little rocket and the little galaxy gun and little planet and some constellations in the back. So, I cannot speak for future boxes, but for the February box, this is everything that you get. So, I honestly, compared to last month's box, I'm super happy with this one. I would have liked to have seen some washi in here, but that's all right. That, to me, I think is the only thing that is really different as far as contents of the box as opposed to last month's box. But I know that she said that she's going to be adding new and different things in every box, so we'll see. I think for a second box, this one was really, really good. Like I have said, I will leave a full disclaimer in the description box. Maybe not a disclaimer. What am I trying to say? I do know that there is a digital Babe Box available, so I will try and find a link for the different kinds of Babe Boxes that you can get. So this is the full mailed to you $30, the highest level Babe Box that you can get currently, but you also have the digital. So I will leave links to all of that down below. And yeah, so tell me in the comments what you think about this box. I think it is gorgeous. I love anything galaxy themed. I loved all the holo. I love that she added these stickers. I think they're super cute. And the seals, I will definitely be using those. So yeah. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. I've got some videos coming up. I actually want to do an updated what's in my bag. So that may be coming soon. And I'm also in the middle of filming a full week plan with me. I'm hoping that it won't be too terribly long, but I will be taking you through my process. Probably won't be a whole lot of talking. So I'm going to see if I can get those clips together, get them cut, get some music going behind them, do a little bit more editing than what I'm normally known for, and just kind of show y'all my process for planning my weeks as far as decorations go. So be watching for that. So anyway, thank you again for watching this video. If you liked it, give it a like. If you would like to see future videos, please hit subscribe, and I will talk to y'all soon. Bye, everybody.